In this video, we're gonna be setting up the MacBook Pro. If you haven't watched the original video where we unboxed it together, make sure to watch that video before coming over here. That way you can see all the cool features and things that they came with the box. Now, with this computer, if we open it up, it's gonna have this felt paper on top. Look at this, it just made it so conveniently nice. And we're gonna open it up here, and we have language. We're going to go to English for the language, and the screen is so much better. I'm comparing this over to my 2015 MacBook Pro, and this is a 10-year newer computer than my old one. We're gonna choose United States. I'm gonna hit continue there, and then I'm gonna set this as new. I'm not going to transfer stuff from my old computer to my new computer. So I'm gonna hit continue here, and not now for accessibility. And then I gotta sign into my Wi-Fi. So if you have a Wi-Fi network, make sure to get signed in. And then the next screen, you're gonna sign into your Apple ID if you already have one. And if you don't, you can always hit setup later, or you can create a new Apple account. And then when you sign into your Apple ID, make sure to go onto like your Mac OS, your iPhone, and type in the security code that is sent to you. Now you gotta agree to the terms and conditions and hit agree. You should be on the screen now where it says set up account, and then now it's gonna have you set up your Mac. If you want to do location services, device analytics, apps, screen time, all that, I typically just keep it the same. So hit continue, and you can set up Apple Intelligence. So this computer is built for AI. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do set up Apple Intelligence, choose notification summary, continue. You have Touch ID. Set up your Touch ID with unlocking your computer with your fingerprint. So for this computer, you have it in the top right of your keypad here. There, and after that it should say Touch ID is ready. Continue. Set up Apple Pay later and update automatically. And now you should be all done. Hit get started. The screen is so smooth, so soft, and there you have it. The laptop is already set up. You have your location services on here. Hit allow. And that way you're all good to go, already done and set up for your next video, for your next project. And that's it, guys. You guys, I appreciate you watching this video. If you have any questions at all, feel free to let me know down in the comment box below. I would love to answer any of your questions, and I'm excited to get this started and edit some videos on this and really utilize this to the max. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. Peace.